Hi, I'm Haresh Malkani, Chief Technology Officer at SESME, the Smart Manufacturing Institute. Over the last 12 months, despite all the numerous challenges that everyone has faced with the impact of COVID, our teams have worked diligently on making substantial progress on every pillar of our roadmap, whether it's technology or workforce development or our collaborative ecosystem. On the technology side, we've leveraged our ecosystem to solve hard problems in key industries like steel, cement, aerospace, food, using innovative smart manufacturing technologies like advanced sensing, data analytics, and predictive modeling, making an impact on operational excellence and energy productivity. Our interoperable, vendor-agnostic smart manufacturing innovation platform is now being used in several proof of concept implementations. It's really cool. So come join us at our virtual summit during the first 2 weeks of November and see all the cool stuff that we've been doing and how it might help you in your smart manufacturing journey. I hope to see you all.